I have a Dash Ram 1500 2011, and we have an issue here with the shifter. It's not coming out of park at all. Traction control and the ABS right there, the ABS light and the instrument cluster. Now that's the 4x4 right there too. And we don't have any codes related to this, like for the brake light switch or anything like that. Nothing is cleaned. To the shifter not coming out of park. Now the engine is running right now, as you can see. We have some other codes, but that's related with the EVA system, evaporative emission system. I believe that is not related to the shifter. I'm gonna see what's going on here with no code for this. I scanned the transmission, everything, and nothing, no codes at all that is related with this. Alright, that is the brake light switch, as you can see right there. That's it is on the brake pedal, on the bracket right there, and the steering column. I'm gonna take it out and see if this is the problem. And now I'm gonna be testing it, but with the software, with the Dash software, not physically. Even though we don't have trouble codes for this, but this is a suspected component for me. So let's see if this is the problem, and I'll be leaving the instructions on how to test it. But as I'm saying, testing it, I'm gonna be testing it with the software, not physically. And also I'll be leaving the wire diagram, so in case if you guys need it out there, someone needs to chase the wires, and all you do to take out this brake light switch is a twister, and you're able to bring it out. Alright, I pulled out the brake light switch from the connector, and all you do is press on this tab here in the metal and pull it out. Never pull it out from the wires. And here is the brake light switch. As I said, I'm gonna be testing it back with the software. Also leaving the wire diagram and the instructions. I will not be showing how to use the wire diagram, but you have to do that on your own. Alright, here is the brake light switch, and I replaced it already, and the problem is gone. This is coming out of park with no problem anymore. With the shifter right there that was not coming out of park. No problem. See? Turn it off. Turn it back on. This was the problem, the brake light switch. Very funny because it did not have cuts at all. And I replaced this without diagnosing the problem, because in my experience, this was the problem, even though without diagnosing. But I'm still going to be showing the wire diagram and also the instructions on how to test it, just in case. So thanks for watching.